Very hard freeze this morning, guys. 25 degrees. Okay, guys, so we're still kind of chilly outside, but you can see that 25-degree weather got my tomato plants. Rosemary's looking okay. Sage did just fine. Herbs died back. I got some garlic in here. Carrots are fine. Onions are fine, although I really need to thin them out. I just don't have anywhere to put some of them, and I don't want to waste them when I pull them up. Look at this. These things will live through anything. So these high tunnels get ambient at night. Now, the big one doesn't as quickly as the little one does. This little one cools down pretty quick. Took out the peppers, so we got to start pulling all this stuff up. But we did get a heaping, helping load of peppers. Here's some of our herbs. This is my marshmallow root, which I'll probably go ahead and get out and get it ready for some medicinals. Some of the dill did okay. Need to cut this back. This rosemary is doing just fine. Now, Greg started this rosemary from seed, and let me tell you something, it takes a long time, folks, for this rosemary to grow. But we got a lot of cleaning up to do. And there's ants in here. We've started our tomato seeds. So we've got some blueberry, cherry, some Perone, blueberry, cherry, Perone, and Perone. We have room for maybe 2 more trays here. This is the seed starting tray Greg made many years ago, probably 3 or 4 years ago. And we can just pull this down at night, and it keeps it warm with these seed mats in here. Yeah, so you can see it's about 80 degrees where these seed flats are. So this damage is from last Monday when it got down to 21 degrees. We'll be pulling this up and getting this ready to plant for the spring. But yeah, that deal. It tried. And then over here we have some turnips. I think I might cut the greens off and let them keep going. And I got some little purple top turnips in there. These onions out here look a little worn for the wear. Spinach did okay. Got some lettuce here. And these are some radishes. I need to go ahead and pull these and use them this week. Chard held up better than I thought it would. We got down to 25 last night. This one's gonna be just fine. These I need to cut back. Kale. If I cut this chard back, a lot of it will come back. And then this is the last of our paprika peppers and our mustard greens. So all these are gonna have to come out. And you can see we got standing water where we got probably about 2 to 3 inches of rain instead of the freezing stuff. We're gonna warm up today, and we're gonna warm up the rest of this week. And then it looks like another shot of cold air may arrive at the end of next weekend. We're going to be watching that. But, yeah, you can see that the high tunnels do really well. Those tomatoes lasted through the summer and then through the fall and through a couple of small freezes, light freezes, I guess I should say. But then, boy, when that cold air came in last Monday, that was it. So it's really hot in this big high tunnel. I don't know. Some of those bell peppers might be okay if he cuts them back. But the herbs, and look at that feverfew. That feverfew has done just fine. So we got lots of cleanup going on in here. All these tomato plants are gonna have to come out. And some of the herbs. But we are in the process of getting ready for our spring garden and our summer garden. He has some Cherokee purples out here. And look, you can see It's 104 degrees underneath here. So it probably needs to air out a little bit. So again, it's cold. It's in the 40s, maybe low 40s, with a strong southwest wind. That's what's supposed to warm us up. But yeah, with another cold blast coming in, we got February still to get through. We'll be watching, and we'll be starting more seeds. We're going to be starting them every day. We're going to try to get quite a few flats so that we'll be ready for our plant sale on March the 1st. So we got pepper seeds and herb seeds and all kinds of other seeds to get ready to sell. But yeah, there's not a cloud in the sky except for maybe some trails over there. So yeah, it's been a cold couple of days. Today's the first day the sun came out since I think Wednesday maybe. And things are getting back to normal as far as the weather. This is pretty typical. But again, they're looking like next week we might get another blast. And then of course we got February to get through. But we are still working. We're still trying to get things going. Greg is trying to feel better. I think this will be the 3rd week on his vitamin D. He needs to take it today. I need to remind him. But yeah, he's working on getting better. And I've had the sinus crud going on, but I'm starting to feel a little better. But guys, it's hard. It's hard to stay on top of things. So don't beat yourself up, because I understand that perfectly. But anyway, wanted to touch base with you and show you what's going on. We love you all, and we will see you soon. Stay warm.